welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? So today's video is going to be the beginning of our bathroom renovation series, so stay tuned for more videos to come after this one. Today is the demolition day. I thought we were just going to fix the bathtub, but then my husband said we are doing everything, so here we are taking everything apart, and I hope you enjoy watching us do this. It took us a very long time to finish this bathroom, and I'm gonna be bringing everything to you guys to watch and see, and maybe it's gonna help somebody out there to give you an idea of what to do when you want to do something like this. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you here. If you love painting videos, DIYs, mom style, and everything surrounding mom life, then you are in the right place. Consider subscribing today and join the family. I would love to have you here. If you are coming back, thank you so much for returning. I really appreciate your support and your love. So let's get into today's video. So what we are doing here is basically just taking apart the old tiles. We figured that since we are replacing the bathtub, we could as well do everything else, because the kind of bathtub that we got came with a tile wall kind of set that came together in the kit. So here we are taking the walls down and moving everything out of the bathroom. So the side of this tile, we cannot take it down until we take apart the pipes that water runs through. So here he is trying to unscrew all these pipes so we can have the opportunity to take this side of the wall down as well. At this point, we are starting to see how much damage water has done to this wall. This house was built in 1985, and can you imagine how much water has went through the tiles to the walls? And you will see in a little bit more mold stuff behind this tile. You never know what is hiding behind your bathroom walls, until you break them down. So here we are breaking this side of the wall down as well. And just take a look at this damage the water has done to this side of the wall, because this is where the pipe is. So all the water leaking into the wall is just accumulating there and just causing the wall to mold under the tile, and we just can't see it. So yeah, this is what the wall is looking like. took all the tiles down. It's time to cut the drywall out, and here is trying to make opening for where the pipes and everything is going to go, because we are installing entirely brand new system of pipes in here other than what was there initially. So yeah, it's just making measurements and doing his cutting, and yeah. Right now it's time to take the bathtub itself out, and it's just gonna go ahead and unscrew everything that it needs to unscrew, and then we're gonna move the bathtub out of the bathroom. But before we could proceed with moving the bathtub, we have to do a little bit of cleanup, and the kids requested to help, so we let them do it. Of course, I have to make them wear a mask. My oldest did not wear a mask here, and she started to sneeze. I have to send her out of the bathroom. So yeah, it's time to move the bathtub out there. But then we encountered a problem here. These pipes will not let this bathtub move an inch, so then we have to stop right here, and you have to figure something out to help us to be able to move this bathtub out. So we need to cut some of these pipes, and we didn't have the instrument to use for it, so we had to go to the store and buy one. So here we are with the tool that we need to cut the pipes. It is called a tubing cutter, I believe. So yeah, so now it's gonna go ahead and open it up and cut the pipes, so we will be able to move the bathtub out, and we can go to the next step. So now that the pipes are out of the way, it's time to move the bathtub out. And guys, this bathtub was super duper heavy, but we got it done. So yeah, this is the beginning of the project, and I think this is like day 3 or 4. We had the demolition took about a couple of days, so I'm going to be coming across your screen with the rest of the renovation. So be on the lookout, stay tuned, make sure the bell is on so you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching, and I would love to see you in my next video. Bye bye.